So, in this semester, I will teach you about not about it's artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Okay. AI. Okay. Artificial intelligence. An introduction. Before I start about artificial intelligence, just I want to ask from your side, what do you understand by artificial intelligence?
Sir, artificial intelligence is a rule-based approach when a computer is able to do the real world to solve the real world problem and improve its performance by its past experience is known as artificial intelligence, like
Good.
self-driving car, robotics.
Very good. So I want to ask you this question to everyone. One by one, unmute your mic and speak. What do you understand by the AI? Because this is not a new term, new thing which you are listening. I'm sure everybody know about the AI little bit. Okay. So please, I'm just calling the name and you will unmute your mic and speak about AI. Whatever you know about the AI, please speak. Anisa, Anisa Mundra. Anisa, are you listening? Are you there? If not Anisa, then Anjali. Anjali Jaiswal, please
So,
speak about AI. Whatever you know about the AI.
AI is a machine approach to solve human intelligence problems according like human intelligence or other intelligent forces.
Avichal Bishnoi.
Yes, sir. Sir, artificial intelligence is a process in which computer makes themselves smarter than more smarter.
So smarter means
They can suppose a computer is doing a task in present scenario, but using artificial intelligence, he can do that same task with more efficient way.
okay, okay. Next, Gunjan Sarma.
Uh, Sir, artificial intelligence is similar to human intelligence, which is programmed for machines. And sir, it is a rule-based technique. Means in artificial intelligence, we approach this human intelligence through rule-based, through rules.
Aishwarya. Aishwarya Motwani. Aishwarya, you are not audible. Okay. If not Aishwarya, then Harsita Sethia.
So now I am audible.
Okay, yes, please.
So, artificial intelligence is rule-based approach in which computer is able to perform the real-world problem, and it will be improve its performance by its past experience. What he get it.
Next, Harsita Sethia.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Please.
AI is a rule-based approach, and it it is able and it is take actions that affect the environment.
हेमू चौधरी। देखिए, आप जो आंसर बोल रहे हैं प्लीज ट्राई कीजिए कि आप लोग कोई सर्च करके नहीं बोलना पड़े या सेम आंसर नहीं बोले, क्योंकि एआई का मीनिंग आई थिंक जितने भी हम लोग हैं सबके लिए अलग है जो समझते हैं। एआई की कोई पर्टिकुलर डेफिनेशन एक एक डेफिनेशन नहीं जो सब लोग बोले हैं, ठीक है? एआई सबके लिए अलग अलग है। तो आप ऐसा कोशिश कीजिए, आप अपना खुद का आंसर दीजिए, ठीक है? आपको एआई के बारे में जो भी समझ में आता है वो बोलिए, जरूरी नहीं आप सही हो, ठीक है, या गलत हो, वो बात की बात है। बट आप लोग क्या अभी तक क्या समझते हैं एआई के बारे में, वो हमको बताना है, ठीक है? हेमू चौधरी।
Sir, AI is like machines which are as intelligent as humans, and we program machines to think like as humans.
किरण, किरण ने ऐसे बोल लिया है ना? लक्ष्मी का।
No, no, sir.
ओके, सॉरी सॉरी किरण प्लीज।
सर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हम एक मशीन बनाने की ट्राई करते हैं जो है ना ह्यूमन की तरह बिहेव करेगी और सोचेगी। और इसका मतलब अगर रिसेंटली एग्जांपल देखें तो टेस्ला कार है, वो उसको हम ऐसे ट्राई कर रहे हैं उस मशीन को बनाने के लिए कि वो ह्यूमन के बिना चल सके, ऑटोमेटिक चल सके।
यस, गुड। आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ आंसर, तो आप लोग प्रैक्टिकल या रियल कुछ बता पाए। लक्ष्मी का।
Hello.
हाँ, लक्ष्मी का प्लीज स्पीक, यू आर ऑडिबल।
Hello.
बोलो।
Hello.
यू आर ऑडिबल, प्लीज
Hello.
स्पीक।
Yes, sir. AI, uh, artificial intelligence is like human intelligence. It is the ability.
आपका ऑडियो डिसकंटिन्यू हो गया, ओके, ठीक है। कोमल शर्मा,
Yes, sir.
प्लीज स्पीक अबाउट एआई।
सर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस के जैसे है, और इट इज मतलब
ओके,
सर इट्स एबिलिटी टू इट कैन सॉल्व मैन कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स जो मतलब ह्यूमन नहीं कर सकता है, वो एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कर सकता है, जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व।
नमन।
Yes, sir.
हम्म
Sir, artificial intelligence can be said as a feature of computer to perform tasks such as self-driving cars or some sensors that requires human intelligence.
ओके, नीलेश शर्मा।
Yes, sir.
आप एआई का कोई एप्लीकेशन बता सकते हैं? व्हाट आर द एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ एआई?
So voice recognitions and so Google search voice and अपने मोबाइल में होता है सर फेस स्कैनर।
गुड गुड, ओके। प्रहलाद, कैन यू डिफाइन एआई?
Yes, sir. Hello.
स्पीक प्लीज, यू आर ऑडिबल।
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
यस यस।
Sir, AI is sir developing computer system which is perform intelligent tasks like understanding language or decision making और रीजनिंग। जैसे सर कोई वीडियो गेम होता है, जैसे उसमें कोई ओपोनेंट होता है सर, खुद से ही सीखता रहता है बार बार।
गुड प्रहलाद।
और सर पहले पहले इजी गेम चलता है, फिर वो ऑटोमेटिकली हार्ड हो जाता है।
Yancy?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, AI refers to use of human intelligence in machine application. सर हम कहीं पे भी मतलब आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को मशीन्स में यूज कर सकते हैं। उसके अंदर कैपेबिलिटी होती है लर्निंग की, वो याद रख सकता है। और सर इसमें कुछ स्पेसिफाई मतलब एल्गोरिथम और टूल अपन डिजाइन करते हैं चीजों को सॉल्व करने के लिए।
Good. Suraj?
Sir, sir, AI, hello,
Yes, please,
sir, I
Suraj.
am audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Sir, AI is a approach that machine can think, just like human.
Okay. So, good. All of you are a little bit okay with AI. Well, so you all know about AI. Okay. So let's start discuss about the AI. The first question is arise is, can machine think? Think about yourself and आप खुद सोचिए क्या मशीन है वो सोच सकती है? Can machine think like a human? Human can think like you, now you are thinking about machine. Okay. So can machine think like human? Yes. Please write your answer in chat. Yes, no. What do you think about this? Can machine think? Everybody, please answer. Okay, I got many answers. Okay. Yes. So the question is, can machine think? Human can think. So if human can think, and we are talking about the AI, and we are saying machine is act like a human. So if a machine act like human, so machine have to think about a human. Okay. So the question is raised: can machine think? It's this question raised in 1950 by Alan Turing. You know about the Alan Turing? So first, this question raised by Alan Turing in 1915 in one conference. Or the title of this paper was "Can Machine Think?" We are still finding the answer of this question. Can machine think? Really? Okay. So, what our purpose or the AI purpose is to build a machine which think like human. Or just writing, we want to build a machine which think like us, human, or the machine which behave like human. It's like human and it's same way act like human. When we able to make a machine or build a machine which think like human, like us, and behave like human, and after this which able to act like human, this is called the intelligent system. If it is possible, then we can call the machine is AI machine or artificial intelligent machine. Okay. Actually, the machine cannot think. Your most of the answer are correct. but the definition of thing we have to understand here. What is the thing mean here? Okay. In many sense, it is yes, machine can think. In many sense, the machine cannot think. It depend on the your definition of thing. What you call thing. Okay. So those who write yes, they are also correct. Those who write no, they are also correct because the definition of thing for there is different. Okay. So the first, the term AI means artificial intelligence coined in 1956 by John McCarthy. The first AI term was coined in 1956. Okay, he defined artificial intelligence is a science and engineering of making intelligent machine. He defined AI is the science and engineering making intelligent machine, and I also mentioned what is intelligent machine. Intelligent machines are the machines which think like human, behave like human, and act like human. If it is possible that kind of machine, it's artificial intelligence. Okay. This definition given by the John McCarthy. Artificial intelligence is a technique of getting machine to work and behave like human. What I said, intelligent system. There are many area or there are many applications of AI. There's no field is remained where we are not using AI or artificial intelligence. Okay? We are using AI in healthcare, robotics, marketing, business, and many more. Okay, we cannot mention here all these fields. Okay, AI is we are using AI in every field. Okay, and what are the जो भी आप लोग अभी देख रहे हैं ये सारा थ्योरी है. आप लोग एन नंबर ऑफ एप्लीकेशन फाइंड कर सकते हैं इंटरनेट में या बुक्स में क्या कहाँ है, क्या डेफिनेशंस है. यू कैन इजीली फाइंड. ओके, सो आई एम नॉट कवरिंग मेनी all this thing in detail. Okay, so the first is many people says AI, ML, deep learning are different, and many says it's same. Okay, so how we can define or correlate or what is the relationship between this AI, machine learning, and deep learning? Okay, so let's define these all three terms. Okay, first, what is AI? Means AI is the science of getting machine to mimic the human behavior of human. Okay, so this is the definition of AI when we are making or building a machine that mimic like human. Okay, and ML is a subset of AI. AI is a broad field. Under this, there's an ML and deep learning and data science and image processing or neural network or computer vision. All these field are comes under AI. Means AI is the broad field. Okay, so ML you can define as a subset of AI focus on getting machine to make decision by feeding them data. Okay, we are providing or giving the data to a machine, and based on this data, machine is making decision. Okay, and whatever you data you give, the machine tag as a experience. Means it's count as experience. When it's when whatever you give a machine as a data or input, it's considered as a experience in future. Okay, so based on this data, the machine able to make a decision. Okay, so this is called a machine learning. Machine is learning from past experience. Experience is count as a data. Okay, and the next is deep learning. The deep learning is a subset of machine learning that use the concept of neural network to solve complex problem. Okay, machine is learning from its data, and deep learning is a way where we use neural network to solve this complex problem using those data. Okay, so this is the you can say AI is a broad field, and all these are the subset of these AI, and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. These are all these fields are interconnected. Machine learning and deep learning aids artificial intelligence by providing the set of algorithms and neural network to solve the data-driven problems. Means you can say machine learning and deep learning are the helping AI to build the machine. Means AI is the artificial machine, and deep learning and machine learning are giving help by using we are using the algorithms and searching sorting techniques to give the aids to this AI. There's three kind of AI we can define: artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. Okay, you can define, or you can say these are three types of AI we have: weak AI, strong AI, and super AI. Okay, let's define one by one each AI. First is narrow intelligence, artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence, also known as a weak AI. Okay, and it's applying AI only to a specific task. When we use AI for a specific task, okay, then that kind of AI we call it as a narrow intelligence or weak AI. Whatever application you are talking about, AI is all comes under narrow intelligence or weak AI. Okay, like you can say mm, Alexa or Google Assistant or um, face recognition, or even you can say a self-driving car. All these are all the applications of weak AI. Okay. The next is general intelligence or artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence, also known as the strong AI, is involved machine that possess the ability to perform any intellectual task that human being can. Means we have a machine that work or act like human. Means it is equivalent to us. The general intelligence or a artificial general intelligence machine, we can say the machine which like human. Okay, the capability or the power is the same as human. Okay, so this kind of machine we can say as a human, or it's called a strong AI as well. Okay, strong AI is the machine which is equals to human. And the last is the artificial super intelligence. This artificial super intelligence is a term referring to the time when capability of computer will surpass human. Okay, it is currently hypothetical situation as it depicted as in movies and some science fiction books, when it says that when machine takes over the world. Okay, this actually this all three kind of AI is respect to a human. When the machine's capability is not equals to human or the less than human, it's called a weak AI. When it's equals to human, it's a general AI or a strong AI. And if it surpasses the human's capability, it's called the super intelligence or artificial super intelligence machines. Okay, but the super intelligence machine is actually hypothetical. It's when we talk about in time, current time. Okay. And what are the applications area where we use AI? We have discussed, and we can say in many field we are using AI. I'm asking from your side, what are the applications area of AI? Means where you are using AI in your real in your life, daily life.
Playing video games, playing with computer games.
Please speak loudly.
Sir, playing with computer games.
Good.
And sir, in AI camera we have.
Recognition, good. First, I just want to give the application AI is Google search. Google search is a huge application of AI. Okay, whatever you give as a query to Google, and it's give you result in some millisecond. Whatever you searching on internet or Google search, it's giving you the result in millisecond. It's a huge application of AI. आप जो भी सर्च कर रहे हैं वो एक छोटा सा कोई टर्म है या छोटी डेफिनेशन है, कुछ सर्च कर रहा है, बट जो गूगल का जो डेटाबेस है वो हम लोगों को जैसे गीगाबाइट, टेराबाइट में, पेटाबाइट, हेक्साबाइट में डेटा है, वो आपको उस मिली सेकेंड्स में उस ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा से आपको रिजल्ट सर्च करके दे रहा है. ठीक है, ये कैसे कर रहा है? इट्स एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एआई. Like face recognition is the application of AI. You use Facebook and you see your timeline is feed up is based on your interest. आपका जो भी इंटरेस्ट है उससे आपका पूरा फेसबुक का पेज फीड अप है. उसमें आपका क्या इंटरेस्ट है, आपका क्या एरिया है, आपका क्या, आप किस रीजन में रहते हैं, आपका क्या इंटरेस्ट है, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपने उसको सारे आपको रिकमेंडेशन जो भी है वो आपको फेसबुक पे पेज पे या कहीं भी आपको देखते हैं वो दे देता है. ये इट्स एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एआई. You use Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa, all these are the application of AI. And one thing I was forget to mention, what is intelligence? When we talk about the artificial intelligence, can you define intelligence? हम बोलते हैं ना, is an intelligent person or intelligent task, or so what is the definition of intelligence? How you define intelligence?
If any person have a strong ability of learning and problem solving ability he have, then he is known as intelligent person.
Any other can you define intelligence? If I say you are intelligent, means what term I am calling you are intelligent?
It's have good thinking power.
Yes, good thinking power. Yes.
Sir, it
When
can be said as
Learning
an
power.
ability-
learning power, yes.
Ability to understand.
Sir, it can be said as an ability to learn from previous experiences.
Yes, good. Now this is the definition. This is the definition of intelligence: the ability to learn or acquire the knowledge, and after this acquiring or learning, learning, we able to apply this knowledge. Then we call it intelligence. जैसे हम लोग को बहुत सारी चीजें पता है, नॉलेज है, ठीक है, इंफॉर्मेशन है, बट वो नॉलेज को, वो इंफॉर्मेशन को यदि हम अप्लाई नहीं कर पाएंगे तो वो इंटेलिजेंस नहीं है. ठीक है, तो द एबिलिटी टू एक्वायर एंड अप्लाई नॉलेज एंड स्किल्स इज कॉल्ड इंटेलिजेंसी. ठीक है, हमारे कंप्यूटर में आपने बहुत सारे इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर कर दी, बहुत सारा डेटा स्टोर है. यदि वो कंप्यूटर सिस्टम या जो हमारी मशीन है वो उसको यूज नहीं कर पाए, उसका अप्लाई नहीं कर पाए डिसीजन मेकिंग में, तो वो इंटेलिजेंस मशीन नहीं है. या हम लोग के पास बहुत सारा नॉलेज है, यदि हम उसको रियल लाइफ में अप्लाई नहीं कर पाएंगे तो आपकी इंटेलिजेंस नहीं है. आप कितना भी पढ़ लें, यदि उसका आपने एप्लीकेशन नहीं किया, उसको अप्लाई नहीं किया, तो वो उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं है, मीन्स वो इंटेलिजेंस ही नहीं है. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस हियर? जब हम बोल रहे हैं यू आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, मीन्स आपने कुछ ऐसा किया है जो आपका शो कर रहा है एप्लीकेशन, मीन्स आपकी आपका रिएक्शन एक्ट, आपने क्या एक्ट किया है. ठीक है, जैसे बात करते हैं क्रिएटिविटी. क्रिएटिविटी एक इंटेलिजेंस है, इंटेलिजेंट है, इंटेलिजेंस बिकॉज आपने कुछ नॉलेज एक्वायर करके उसके बारे में कुछ फील करने में सीख के आपने खुद का कुछ क्रिएट किया. क्रिएटिविटी मीन्स यू आर क्रिएटिंग बाय योर सेल्फ. ठीक है, आपने कुछ नया क्रिएट किया जो कहीं से कॉपी नहीं है या किसी और का आपने नहीं लिया है, आपने खुद से क्रिएट किया है, तो मीन्स वो एप्लीकेशन है उस नॉलेज का, तो वो इंटेलिजेंस ही है. मीन्स जब भी आप कुछ नॉलेज को या इंफॉर्मेशन को अप्लाई करते हैं तो वो आपकी इंटेलिजेंस शो करता है। ऐसे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की बात करें तो यही है कि आपने उसको इंफॉर्मेशन दे दी, डेटा दे दिया, उसको प्रोग्राम कर दिया। जब वो उस सारी इंफॉर्मेशन को आपके डेटा को या जो अपना प्रोग्राम है उसको अप्लाई करके कुछ डिसीजन लिया मशीन ने, तो वो इंटेलिजेंस शो कर रहा है। जैसे हम सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार की बात करें, हमने सारा प्रोग्राम कर दिया, उसको डेटा दे दिया, सब कुछ दे दिया, वो अब अपना खुद से डिसीजन ले रही है कि कहाँ एक्सलेट करना है, कहाँ ब्रेक लगाना है, कहाँ टर्न करना है। ठीक है, वो मीन्स क्या कर रही है, लर्न कर, अब मशीन लर्न कर रही है फर्स्ट, देन वो परसेप्ट कर रही है एनवायरमेंट से, देन डिसीजन ले रही है। यह आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एक्चुअली लर्निंग, परसेप्शन एंड डिसीजन। यू आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम योर डेटा, परसेप्टिंग फ्रॉम द एनवायरमेंट, ठीक है, और कॉन्टेक्स्ट, और सेकेंड then after you are making your decision. Are you getting my point? So you can define again AI if I just write suppose this is human capability or human and this is machine. So AI you can define as this is the difference. AI is trying to reduce this difference, machine and human. मशीन एंड ह्यूमन के बीच का जो डिफरेंस है वो AI क्या कर रहा है, उसको रिड्यूस कर रहा है। जैसे ये रिड्यूस होगा या अब मशीन इंटेलिजेंट हो जाएगी, जितने अब ये मशीन मूव करेगी इस डायरेक्शन में, ह्यूमन के डायरेक्शन में, तो मशीन को हम बोलेंगे इट्स मूविंग टूवर्ड्स इंटेलिजेंसी और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, यू कैन से। ओके, सो अभी अब जो हमने डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ AI बताया है, वीक AI, स्ट्रॉन्ग AI एंड सुपर AI। सो आपकी जो मशीन है ये ह्यूमन का रेफरेंस है, ये ह्यूमन लाइन है। अभी आपका मशीन यदि इस साइड है, यहाँ पर है, टाइम के रेफरेंस बात करें तो ये क्या है, वीक AI मीन्स बिहाइंड द ह्यूमन, एंड इफ इट इज रीच टू दिस ह्यूमन लाइन it's called strong AI. Okay, if it surpass the human capabilities it's called super AI. Is it clear? हम मशीन की बात कर रहे हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ह्यूमन कैपेबिलिटी। ओके, यदि आप ह्यूमन कैपेबिलिटीज के बिहाइंड है आपकी मशीन तो वो वीक AI है। जो भी हमने आपके अभी तक जो एग्जांपल देखे हैं वो सारे वीक AI के एग्जांपल हैं। ठीक है, कोई भी मशीन अभी ह्यूमन कैपेबिलिटीज को टच नहीं कर पाई है, उसके नियर जरूर हम लोग मूव कर रहे हैं, AI हमारी मूव कर रही है ह्यूमन के डायरेक्शन में, के क्लोज पहुंच गई है, बट इट्स नॉट रीच टू ह्यूमन एंड नॉट इवन सरपास। ओके, so all the applications area like Alexa, Google Assistant, self-driving car, face recognition, all these are the very specific, all this AI is meant for the every specific task. Okay, when your AI reach to human capabilities or human like human, it's called a strong AI, and when it's surpassed it's called super AI. And whatever you see in the movie and some science fiction, this talk about the super AI which surpass the human capabilities. So whatever we discussed till this point, we will not studied in this subject. Okay, we will just learn about the very basic about basic of AI or the fundamental of AI, like what are the methods we used in AI, like what are the searching methods, sorting methods, problem solving methods, game theory, knowledge representation, and what are kind of the learning, NLP, all these things we will studied in this subject. Okay, अभी तक आपने AI के बारे में जो सोचा है वो what these are all the high level application of AI. Let's see our syllabus. This is the syllabus of AI. In this syllabus, we will discuss about the intelligent agent. Means in this we will discuss about the problem solving by searching, and we have the searching with two kind of method, informed and uninformed. We will discuss. There is many algorithms like A star, best first search, width first, depth first, bidirectional, hill climbing. All this technique will discussed in this first unit. We can call it's a first unit. Okay, and next we will discuss the game theory. What are the games, and how this game we can solve or using AI. Next, we'll discuss about the knowledge and reasoning. In this is the totally mathematical part of AI. Means how we can represent the knowledge and what are the propositional logic, first order logic, and all these things we'll discuss in this unit. In the second last unit, we'll discuss about the ML part of ML. Means what are the type of learning, how our machine is learning, means supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, or reinforcement learning, neural network. All these things we'll discuss in this unit. In the last, we will discuss about the NLP and robotics. This is very fundamental about the NLP expert system and robotics. Okay. This is the complete syllabus of AI. We will start from this unit. The first unit is by the searching, sorting, and how this problem solving method solved in AI. Okay. What is the time it remain? Okay, so we will start this state space representation and search in the next class. Okay, I'll just give the very brief introduction about this. In problem solving, whatever the problem we have, first we have to understand it and then give it to computer, and in computer how it's represent, or what are the state in your problem is, and what are the move, or what are the valid actions, and what is the initial state, goal state. All these things we discussed about in state space representation. Okay, जब भी आप कोई न्यू प्रॉब्लम होगी आपकी या कोई गेम है, क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट क्या करते हैं, उसको समझेंगे कैसे होता है, देन उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे कि उसको कंप्यूटर्स को कैसे आप एक्सप्लेन करें, मीन्स कंप्यूटर में कैसे उसको रिप्रेजेंट करें, देन आपका क्या इनिशियल स्टेट है, क्या आपकी गोल स्टेट है, क्या आपके एक्शन मूव है. ऑल दिस थिंग विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, so if you have any doubt, any doubt about the subject or the definition of AI or the fundamental of AI, you can ask. Okay, if you do not have any doubt, you can please write the attendance in chat. Write P for parrot. What is the definition and what is the theory, you can easily find on internet. So please, if you have any doubt, you can search on internet as well. Okay, there's lots of material available on internet regarding AI.